Yellow! Today we're going to make a color wheel. We're going to learn about the primary colors, yellow, blue, and red. We're going to learn about how to mix the secondary colors. They are orange, green, and purple. Tempera paint cake palettes. I prefer these to watercolor paint sets because these last a lot longer. They're just like liquid tempera paint that you would get in a bottle. All you have to do is add water to it with your brush. And here's what the cake looks like. A cup of water, a paper towel, a variety of brushes, a pencil. I will be using a black Sharpie marker, a ruler, something to draw some circles with, either a bottle cap, a circle tracer, or a roll of tape. Take your circle stencil or bottle cap, something to trace a circle with, and place it at the top center of your page. Then we're going to hold the stencil still and trace a circle. Okay. Now we're going to draw a circle here. Measure about 4 fingers from the bottom of the page and put your circle there. Trace a second circle. Do the same thing on the left side of your page. Put your hand down, measure 4 fingers up from the bottom of the page. Put your circle stencil down. Trace another circle. If you have a circle stencil and it looks like this, you can use the straight edge to make your straight lines in the next step. Or you can use a ruler if you have one, or just freehand it. So I'm going to connect all 3 circles. Going horizontal line going left to right, and another diagonal line here. These are going to be the 3 primary colors. We're going to put yellow at the top, red on the left, and blue on the right. Now we're going to draw the secondary circles. So take your circle stencil again and place it about the same distance from these 2 circles, like right in the middle. Hold it still. Do the same thing over here. Try to place it in the middle. And one at the bottom. Now we're going to connect these 3 circles with a dashed line or a dotted line. That's to show that they are the secondary colors. If you're drawing with marker, make sure you're using a permanent marker, because when we add the paint, you don't want the marker to get wet and smudge. Washable markers will smudge if you wet them. That's why I'm using a permanent marker. Or just use your pencil. Now it's time to get the paint and start painting. I'm going to start by painting the primary colors first. Those are the circles that are connected with the solid line. So get your brush wet, swish it around in the yellow paint. Clean your brush. Next color is red. I'm going to paint this circle red. cleaning off my brush. The last primary color is blue. This circle will be blue. Looks like I got some blue in the yellow. Clean that off. There we go. All right, the primary colors are painted. Now the colors in between the primaries are the secondary colors. So yellow and red make orange, blue and yellow make green, blue and red make purple. I'm going to get some orange paint for this circle here. Green will go here. Purple at the bottom. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to label the colors. I finished painting my color wheel. Now it's time to label each color. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Green, G-R-E-E-N. Blue, B-L-U-E. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E. Red, R-E-D. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. And then right in the middle, I'm going to write color wheel. C-O-L-O-R. Wheel, W-H-E-E-L. Color wheel. So we have yellow, green, blue, purple, red, orange. I hope you enjoyed making a color wheel with me today. We learned about the primary colors. Those are the first colors, yellow, blue, and red, and they're connected with a solid triangle shape. We learned about the secondary colors. Those are the ones that come second, that you can make by mixing the primaries. They're connected with a dashed or dotted triangle. They are orange, which you can make by mixing yellow and red together. Green, you can make that by mixing yellow and blue together. And at the bottom we have purple, which you can make by mixing blue and red together. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.